So we are at this stall Oya's Umami, which is exotic food from Nagaland, and we have Ati with us, who will tell us a little about her food and what she has prepared over here.
Hi.
So can you tell me a little about what all is placed on this table right now?
So I have some called noodles, which is available in chicken and minced soy. Then some pork belly skewers, some meat jerky salad, which goes very well with drinks, and some authentic Naga food over here, and bacon in a bowl, and some mango cheesecake with a cashew crumble.
Okay, so as this is a cashew festival, how have you incorporated cashew in this food? Can you tell us a little about that?
I have. Okay, we have tried and successfully incorporated some of the cashew elements in all the dishes that are here. So I have a cashew crumble on top of the soy noodles, and there's a cashew chili sauce over here, and cashew crumble again on top of the jerky salad. And this we have kept completely authentic. Then there is a cashew chili sauce again with the bacon, and again the cashew crumble at the bottom of the mango cheesecake.
So is this your first time participating over here?
Yes, it is.
Okay, how has the response been so far?
The response has been great. It has been a lot of fun incorporating Naga ingredients and some cashew elements into the cuisine as well. And people have been very receptive. They have been experimental, and the experience has been amazing so far.
Okay, so which is your best-selling dish over here?
The pork belly skewers with the cashew chili sauce and the Naga pork.
Okay, thank you so much.